Hi, this is Charlie, and this video is on getting started investing in real estate. I have been a real estate coach for over 20 years, and in my opinion, this is a tough market for anyone to get started investing in real estate. Maybe you should consider a real estate investing apprenticeship. A real estate investing apprenticeship can take any of several different forms. It can be a flexible arrangement with an experienced investor that you partner with for 1 or 2 deals only. Or it could be a structured agreement whereby you form an ongoing working relationship with an individual or group of investors. Either way, there are a few things you should consider before entering into a real estate investing apprenticeship. First, what exactly do you want to get out of your real estate investing apprenticeship? In other words, what is it you are looking to learn? If you want to learn how to flip houses after rehabbing them, you should look for an experienced rehabber to partner with, offering to bird dog or wholesale a few deals to him or her in exchange for looking over their shoulder throughout the process. If you want your real estate investing apprenticeship to help you build your cash reserves for long-term property holding, you should look for a mentor who is willing to split the profits on some larger deals. You might offer to do all or most of the legwork that many experienced investors are just too busy to do. On the other hand, if you're hoping to learn the ropes of lease option or subject to investing, you will want your real estate investing apprenticeship to build your skills in those areas. Find an investor with plenty of experience doing those types of deals and offer to partner up with them several deals. When approaching a potential mentor about a real estate investing apprenticeship, make sure you tell them what's in it for them. Tell them the benefits they will realize by partnering with you. Offer to do all or most of the legwork, bring them leads and deals, and bring them potential buyers for their deals. Don't expect them to want to help you simply out of the goodness of their heart. Everyone likes to know they will be realizing a benefit from their efforts. Potential real estate investing apprenticeship mentors are no exception. 2 good places to find investors to apprentice with would be a real estate investment club, and you can find them by going to Google and searching for real estate investors clubs. Another way would be to go to real estate auctions and talk to the investors who are there bidding on property. Typically, you should have a 10-second introduction ready that covers what you specialize in and what you're looking for. An example would be, "Hi, my name is, and I specialize in finding property for investors. Do you know anyone who is looking for properties?" By asking these questions, you are leaving it open for them to step up and say that they are looking for some deals. It's also advised that you have business cards printed up so you can exchange with the investors you are talking to. Now, I intentionally use the term exchange because it isn't good enough to just pass your business cards out. You can't follow up with an investor unless you have their contact information. It's important that you develop a list of investors and that you keep in touch with them at least every 2 weeks so that they remember you and you can do business with them. Business cards will add credibility to your request, and it gives them a way to contact you in the future. Once you have an investor saying that they are looking for property, you need to ask them some questions. First, what geographic location do you buy homes in? Then, what price range are you looking for? How many bedrooms and bathrooms do you want? What kind of discount are you looking for? Some will want a 50% discount and others will want a 20% discount. It's recommended to work with the ones who are looking for a 20% discount, as you will find more properties that fall within this price range. What is the average rehab cost that you are looking for? Some will only want to spend a small amount, and others will take major rehab jobs. Are you paying cash, or will you need some extra time to arrange financing? It's best to work with investors who pay cash for the properties if possible. This is a very cost-effective way to enter into the real estate business, and you gain the experience of working with seasoned investors. Looking back, you'll find that some of the most satisfying deals that you have done will be done in a partnership with other investors. Most of them will be a win-win for all parties. Many real estate investors start out engaging in a real estate investing apprenticeship. You should explore the possibilities of doing the same. I hope this will be helpful for you. Stay tuned. Subscribe.